Okay, I'm going to show you guys what we started inside planting. We started these about a month ago. We have spinach started inside with our grow light. We have butter lettuce. We have zucchini plants. Those are coming up really nicely, if you can see. We have cucumber plants. We have beets. And we have Super Sweet 100 tomato plants in there. So what we did is we just filled our trays, these trays, with some good soil and soaked them with water, and then we put our seeds in and put them under a grow light, and that's what we did. Let me show you some of the other plants we started. We also have an arrow garden that we've been using. We're growing Thai basil, some parsley, some curly parsley. This parsley we can't cut enough. It just grows and grows and grows so fast. Our chives, we just cut. Our thyme, we had a bunch of thyme. We just cut all that off. And we have regular basil back here that we just cut off. But it grows super fast. The basil grows fast. And the dill, we cut all the way off because it was growing so fast and we weren't using it. But we've been drying them. We just cut them off and then we hang them to dry. And so that's working awesome. Let me show you the other plants that we have planted. Go out into the sunroom. This sunroom doesn't get that much light, but since it's getting warmer now, we can leave the plants in here. Here we have some cherry tomatoes, some other tomatoes, another brand. Bell peppers. The bell peppers did not come up. I don't know if it's because the seeds were bad or if it's because of the conditions that they didn't come up. The next one is just another tomato. There's some peppers, Tabasco pepper. The next one is bell peppers. Those ones actually came up. Then we planted lots of red onions. We started them so that we can plant them in our big garden outside. So these will get transferred. We'll let them keep growing in here for a little longer, and then next week after the last frost, we'll be able to transfer these outside. And then I'll show you the other plants that we started in January inside. We have, this is a large beefsteak tomato plant, and that's another tomato plant. And then these are peppers, and I think that's another tomato plant. And then we also started sprouting a sweet potato right here, and we'll have to do a video on how to plant sweet potatoes. And then we have a small greenhouse out here. The greenhouse, we don't have a lot in right now because we've taken it mostly out. We don't have a lot. We have some lettuce and some more lettuce, but that's all we really have in here right now. We've taken everything out mostly. We have kale seedlings starting over here. But besides that, we haven't used this right now. But meanwhile, our grass is going really well in here. And then over here in these raised bed gardens, we have planted carrots, lots of carrots, and they're coming up a tiny bit. It's probably hard to see. We planted potatoes over here, and we planted beets. that we planted those about 3 weeks ago. We have lots of beets coming up here. We love beets in our family, so let's see what else we have. Just more beets, I think. I'm trying to read these markers that my husband did and I can't. Oh, carrots. Carrots are over here. And more beets. So we have lots of beets. And then I'm not sure what. Oh, lettuce. He planted lettuce in these. And here's more lettuce in these ones. So he used every inch of this garden, even the insides of the cinder blocks, to plant stuff in. Carrots are in this one. So yes, that is what we have planted so far.